Welcome to Market 101. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to raise a withdrawal. Let's get started. First, log into your account with your email and password. Next, you need to enable two-factor authentication to raise a withdrawal. For that, look for your name in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. In the drop-down menu, select Enable 2FA. Open your Google Authenticator app. Click on the plus sign in the app. You'll have two options. Select Scan QR code. Scan the QR code that appears on your screen. Then enter the code that shows up in your Google Authenticator app. Click on Enable 2FA to activate it. Now, head over to Manage Funds and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Withdrawal Request. Choose the trading account you wish to withdraw from. Then enter the amount and select the cryptocurrency for the withdrawal. Provide your wallet address. There are a few conditions aligned with successful withdrawals, such as a minimum withdrawal amount of $10. Market 101 does not charge withdrawal fees. The minimum withdrawal for the ERC20 network is $1,000, and withdrawals less than that can be made via BTC or LTC. So now click Submit. Further, a pop-up will request your 2FA code. Enter the code displayed on your Google Authenticator to verify the withdrawal. To view your withdrawal request, click on Withdrawal List in the pop-up. Your withdrawal request has been initiated and will be processed. The status will be updated within 24 hours. That's it. It really is that simple. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.